prayer for the family of humanity. Spirituality is innate to us. It is our birthright, and this longing connects us all. Religion, on the other hand, is passed down by humanity. When we behold the beauty of nature and become aware of its ingenious functionality, many of us recognize the hand of a wondrous creator. We call this creator by many names, yet we refer to the same being. When I understand how wonderful I'm made, how unique each one of us is, and how every individual is an unparalleled masterpiece, when I perceive the infinite beauty, the brilliant functionality, and the loving order, and the profound harmony in all creatures and in nature, I feel deep within me the presence of a loving and a wisely planning Creator. This Creator has brought forth the indescribable, independent of the name I choose to call Him. To this Creator, who connects us all, I offer my prayer. Beloved Creator, Father and Mother, origin of all being, dwelling in the realm of eternity, beyond all time and comprehension, your light shines within us and through us into the world. Your name is holy, infeeble, and yet felt in every creature and in nature. May your kingdom of love, peace, and harmony live in our hearts and unfold through our actions on earth. May your will, not our spiritual ego, be done through us in all we say and do, in harmony with your wisdom, for the good of all life and all creation. Give us today the bread of life, nourishment for the body, mind and soul, and open our eyes to the beauty and abundance in all creatures and in nature. With you, bestow upon us out of your love. Forgive us when we stray for the path of perfection, just as we learn to forgive one another, breaking the chains of division, guilt, and fear. Lead us through the darkness of our temptations and show us the path of truth toward the light, that we may overcome evil and bring light into the world through our love and actions. For yours is the source of all wisdom, strength, and joy, the beauty of life, and the love that connects everything, so that we may become united in the magnificent diversity of your creation, now and for all eternity. Amen. The original Aramaic, our Father. Our Father, origin of all being, may your name shine within us. May your light become visible in the world. May your kingdom enter our innermost being. May your will be done. May your plan unfold everywhere, in all that exists. Give us what we need today, both material and spiritual nourishment. Remove the entanglements that bind us as we release others from their bindings. Let us not stray into illusions, but free us from all that harms us. For yours is the all-encompassing kingdom, the life force, and the brilliance in all things forever. Amen.